is? This your boy Tunchi, and this is Y.B.E.T.V. Today I want to talk to you about my business credit course. As far as the business credit course go, man, for the truckers, there's a lot of truckers out here and they asking like, do the business credit course work for us? Is it helpful to us? What can we do? It's definitely helpful for you. Listen, I've unlocked like business credit, man. It's amazing. Like, I've never seen this before, and nobody has never taught this before. If you go to any school that Swift, CR England, Snyder, I've been through CR England, Snyder, JB Hunt. Nobody has never taught about business credit. But guess what? They all got business credit. The biggest thing that these companies is going to teach you about is LLC. I want to teach you about business credit, and right now, it's for $50. Listen, people, take advantage of it because it's definitely worth it. I'm going to teach you how to structure your business. What I mean by structure your business is you need to have a toll-free number. You need to have a virtual address. You need to have an LLC, an EIN. You definitely need a DUNS number, a paydex score. You definitely need all these things so you can start to build business credit and you can start to be established. I'm going to teach you how to get a website. I did all the research for you. You do not have to do anything. Only thing you got to do is follow the steps. I even put a checklist in there for you so you can be able to go to that checklist and check off everything one at a time until you get to the last step. Now, with all those things, what else could you ask for? You need to find out a way to track your expenses of your business. Go for it then and track your expenses with the bonus material. Only thing I'm saying is, I swear to God, I wish I had this course coming up through trucking. I would have paid at least $750 to $1,000 for it, just so I could learn what I need to do. Because you could make a killing. Learning this, you could definitely make a killing. You could definitely position yourself and put yourself as a company and be taken seriously and be professional. Take the course. www.ybetv.org/course, all lowercase letters. And I promise you, I guarantee you, you will not be let down. You will learn and you will be able to orchestrate a big hit, which is a successful trucking company. Take my word for it or take my challenge. You already know what it is. It's your boy Tunchi. And I'm not even going to explain it to you. If you don't want to end up in a box, think outside of it. YB.
Drug dealing and killing is going on in my town. It don't take a killer to kill or a driller to drill. See, just being yourself is the definition of real.